Good morning. It is Saturday and we are heading out to Bouckville. It's the Bouckville June show and I'm going to meet my son Chris out there. We're going to see if we can find some Hot Wheels. So stick around, buckle up. We're going for a ride. Going to take a road trip. Hang in there. And of course, it's 7:30 in the morning. I told Chris I'd meet him at 8 o'clock. And I got no gas, no coffee, and I'm a half an hour away. So, as usual, I think Dad's going to be a little bit late. But we'll see. See how the road goes. See how everything goes. Plan on having a good day today. It's going to be a hot one. So, should be good. Our buddy Brett was already out there yesterday. And he said he found a lot of Hot Wheels. So, hopefully I'll find some stuff that he missed. And some stuff he didn't want. You know, that's the cool thing about being a collector. There's things that some people collect, some people look for, other things people don't even care about. And then there's the odd stuff that I love. So sometimes people just go right by that old Hot Wheels toothbrush or Hot Wheel deodorant, hairspray, who knows? But yeah, you know, that's the cool stuff I collect. So, we'll see what's out there. Have some fun for the day. You know, we've been working on the house, working on the property, working on the Hot Wheels TV studio, and haven't gone anywhere, done anything. You know, we got the whole COVID thing going on. So, hopefully everybody's been saving up their stuff. All the Hot Wheels stuff they got hanging out for their, you know, for all the flea markets and stuff. And maybe we'll luck out. Hope so. So it's a beautiful day today, as you can see. See what we can find. Alright, well, I stopped at the McDonald's. Got an egg and muffin. Got one for Chris. Got some coffee. And on our way still. I know it's probably 8 o'clock already. But he knows I'm always going to be late. But beautiful day, sun's shining. Can't ask for anything better. Well, can, but hopefully we'll find some cool Hot Wheels. Have a good day with my boy. You gotta love the New York countryside. I really love living out here. This is right outside of Clinton, New York. Used to live out this way. Actually ended up going to high school for a couple of years out this way. My parents broke up, got divorced, and Mom moved out here. Then I bought a house way up on the hill. And yeah, it's beautiful out here. People say, "Oh, you're from New York?" Yeah, this is New York. This is New York. Dairy farms. Got all kinds of farms out here. It's upstate New York. I live in central New York, upstate New York. And when you talk about New York, York, this is it, man. Not down in the city. We're about 300 miles from the city. Oh, look at that old dually. Oh, got to stay on the road. But yeah, this is coming into Deansboro. Yeah, that's where I used to live, right up on that hill, Bouckville Hill, way up there. A long time ago. Had man, what year was that? Probably 1979, 1980. I lived out there, Deansboro. Had Charger, 440 Charger RT. Had 68 GTX, 68 Impala, brand new Bobcat, Mercury Bobcat, Pinto. Yeah, had a whole bunch of cars sitting up there, up on the property. Had 3.5 acres up there, and it was nice, real nice. Used to be a gas station right here on this corner, and I always wanted to buy that. There was an old Victorian house next to it. Now there's an empty lot. So, oh man, look at that rig. Oh, I'd love to have that rig. That is a good looking rig. Need a bigger trailer though. So yeah, place was cool. A lot of old architecture out here, and but yeah, had gas station, and look at that place. Had a gas station along with an old Victorian house, and they ended up tearing everything down and put a parking lot there. So, but yeah, I always wanted to do that. Wanted to have an old gas station, and house next door. Fix cars. Go eat lunch. Back out, fix cars. Eat dinner. Sit on the porch, you know? You never know. Okay, upstate New York, we got a tractor show. All right, check it out. A barbecue and tractor show. All right, that's the stuff you find. They're even doing stuff out there in the field. I'm telling you, man. I love it. I love living out here. It's just cool. Oh man, that house burnt. Wow. Oh well. Almost there. Got a couple more little windy roads, and we will be in Bouckville, New York. They have some. They have two big shows here. They got the June show, and then they got the August show. August show is huge, whole town. Been a while since I've been to the June show, but the August show is a couple miles long, and it's like if you ever been to Brimfield out that way, same thing. It's just huge, and like I said, miles, 2, 3, 4 miles long. Takes you all day. Well, actually, pretty much sometimes whole weekend, just to see, you know, be able to walk through everything. So we will see how the June show is for 2021. They didn't have one last year for 20 because of old COVID crap. But hey, we survived and we're here. Move on, right? So almost there. Now we're coming up on where Chris and I usually park for the August show, and you can always see how much is going on by the parking, and we're already here. So it's all the way down to the top. There's the boys' truck. Oh, we don't have to pay for parking today. Wow, ain't that cool? Check it out. There's the boy, got his S10. Usually we got to pay a whole $2 for parking. There he is. Morning.
I'll do it as a trap.
What are for?
Need a 19 mil.
No 10 millimeter?
No 10s, they're all gone.
No, 10s are all gone?
What's that? Thanks.
Mom said it was bad. I need.
What is it?
Me too. I didn't like it. I was.
Alright, so Chris says this is the original iPhone. Must be. Yep, it is. The original iPhone. And here we are. Oh, they got snowmobile races. I wonder if they got them today. Now we're going to pull over the side of the road, do a little walking around, see what we can find. And did get a couple of Hot Wheels, Hot Wheel case. So let's do some parking and Hot Wheel hunting. What are the colors on these? Yeah, that's more the Barbie and that's more the fan.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm asking. I'm hoping you might remember because I don't.
No, plus that's got your fan.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, come on.
$3.
So that was our day. About 100 cars, and then we got 80 some odd loose cars there in that one spot, and it wasn't bad. Paid $100 for all of that, so we did good. We got a lot of real riders, got a lot of good blackwalls, you know. Got a whole bunch of the revealers, so I think we did pretty good for $100 on that one. We still got the tractor show going on there. All kinds of cool tractors at the Bouckville Falls Fire Department. When you're all done, you can go bowling. So we spent, $140 or so for today, and we'll go through them and check them all out, and see what we got. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Appreciate it. Oh, by the way, check out the new official Mike Zarnock coloring book. All right, done by Fireball Tim Lawrence. Did an amazing job. It's on sale right now. You can get it at Amazon or Etsy, and I believe there might even be free shipping on there also. So if you want, hey, buy them for everybody. I've been hearing people buying 5, 10 of them just to give out to everybody. So it's the official Mike Zarnock Hot Wheels coloring book by Fireball Publishing. And yeah, so check it out. It's on my website, mikezarnock.com. It's on Fireball Tim's, all of his social media, all of my social media. I'm sure that you can find a link. Actually, just search Mike Zarnock coloring book, and you'll find it. They're $9.95, $9.99, free shipping, I believe. So check it out. It's really cool. All of my, actually 19 of my favorite Hot Wheels cars, and of course, me, there's always got to be a little history in there too. So for every one of those cars, there's a little bit of a paragraph or two about the car, about its history, or why I like it. All right. Again, thank you very much for stopping by. Appreciate it. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. And of course, hey, be kind to one another. Let's have fun. All right? So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves, and we hope to see you real soon.